Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. This is day 3 of practicing yoga from the scratch, from zero. If you have not followed these videos, start from day 1. I'm basically trying to teach you yoga the way I teach my students from the beginning. And we are practicing Yogic Sukshma Vyayam. Keep your feet together, head straight, eyes open, focus on your throat, breathe deep and loud. Relax. Now extend your arms in front of you, fingers together. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now fingers apart. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now clench your fist. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now start rotating your fist from the wrist. Rotate, breathing normally, naturally. 10 rounds in this manner and 10 rounds reversing the movement. Good. Okay, relax. Now as you inhale, arms will move up. As you exhale, arms will move down sideways. Inhale up, exhale down. Go as fast as is comfortable to you. You can go slow, you can go fast. Relax. Now clench your fist, thumb in, fold it with the four fingers. Deep inhale, hold the breath, and retaining the breath inside, rotate your arm in the forward direction for as long as is comfortable to you. Start with me. Now inhale deep, hold the breath, and rotate your arm in the forward direction for as long as is comfortable. The moment you feel you are not comfortable holding the breath, you will bring the fist in front of the chest and exhale with force. Like this. Repeat the same thing in the reverse direction. This time you are going to rotate backward. So when you are ready, clench your fist again. Deep inhale, hold the breath, and rotate this time in the backward direction. Remember, here you are retaining the breath. So retain the breath only till the point you are comfortable. The moment you feel uncomfortable, you will bring your fist in front of the chest and exhale with your nostrils with force. Okay. Next, as you inhale, you will move your arms up and bend back from the upper body. Exhale, return. Inhale up, bend back. Exhale, return. Relax. Now, swing your arms back, opening your chest and shoulder. Exhale, return. When you take your arms back, try to bring your fingers together. Remember, head will also move back. Inhale back, exhale, return. Now, clench your fist with the right hand, hold it with the left at the back from the wrist. Keep it in the middle of your back, feet together, eyes open. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Keep moving. Switch your arms and repeat. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Relax. Now open your legs wide and comfortable, toes pointing outward. Press your heels down to get a good grip. Place your palms on your waist, thumb in front, forefingers back. Roll your shoulders backward. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Continue. Next, keep your feet together, arms opening sideways. Deep inhale in the center, exhale, bend on the side. Inhale back to the center, exhale on the other side. Continue. Relax. Now open your legs, shoulder level distance between your feet. Extend your arms forward, fingers together. Rapidly twist back, looking at the thumb of the back hand. Constant twisting, constant exhalation. Every time you twist back, exhale, 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 exhale. Relax. Now, in the next practice, you are going to inhale, opening your arms and legs. Exhale, close your arms and legs. Okay, inhale, open, exhale, close. Don't hit your thigh, don't touch your head. Start. Relax. Next, in the next practice, keep your feet together, extend your arms forward, fingers together. Inhale, exhale, down. Bend down till the point your thighs become parallel to the mat. Breathe normally, naturally. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Up, inhale, exhale, release. Next, balance with one foot, lift the other one up and rotate. Rotate from the ankle. 1, 2, 3. Breathe normally, naturally. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse the movement. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. Now same thing with the other foot. Rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. Feet together with every count, lift your heels up. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Relax. Okay, now we are done with the physical practice. We are going to relax and practice belly breathing and chest breathing that we learned in the previous sessions. First, relax. Allow your whole body to relax. Legs apart, head, neck, spine in one straight line. Arms few inches away from the body, palm facing the sky. Relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. First we are going to practice belly breathing. So for belly breathing, what you will do, you will keep your palms on your belly across your navel. As you inhale, expand your belly up. As you exhale, bring your belly down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, good. Exhale down. Slow movement, slow breathing. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Go as slow as you can. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale slowly down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale slowly up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale slowly down. Inhale slowly up, exhale slowly down. Now, chest breathing. Place your palm on either side of the chest. Feel the movement in the chest area. If there is any movement happening in the chest, Feel it. Remember, in belly breathing, the movement was happening vertically. In chest breathing, the movement happens horizontally. So the chest will move towards the chin. Towards the chin, yes. This is how the movement will happen towards the chin. Get ready, start now. Inhale up, chest towards the chin, horizontally. Exhale slowly down. Good. Inhale slowly up. Exhale slowly down. Make it as slow as you can. Inhale slowly up. Exhale slowly down. Inhale slowly up. Exhale slowly down. Let's do one more time. Inhale slowly up. Exhale slowly down. Relax and keep your arms back to their places. Feel the impact of the practice on your body and mind. Today we did it even slower than last 2 days. Slower you practice in breathing, be it belly breathing or chest breathing, better it is, more calming it is. I hope you enjoyed today's practice. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up and do share how you felt after the practice in the comment section, or if you have any questions, please put it in the comment box. I will reply to them. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing, stay healthy. Namaste.